Hello guys, welcome back. If you remembered while I was explaining the PPT, I promised you I will be explaining enum in this section, enumeration. The short form is enum. So without any further delay, let's get started with enum. So how to create a new file? Control N. Yeah. And then what did you remembered from that lecture about enum? You see? Enum, it is a user defined data type in C. Okay, it is basically used to assign names to integral constants. Okay, it makes the code more reliable and easy to maintain. After I write the program, it will be very easy for you to understand this meaning, the meaning of this line. Okay, so the keyword is enum, right? Keyword is enum. So enum, let us start our coding. Now the library file, okay, hash include stdio.h, which is standard input output.h, and we'll start with enum and give the enum a name. Suppose if we talk about the week, we'll give a week. It's just a name, you can give anything you want, and open and close parenthesis. Okay, so as you can see, the compiler automatically keeps this semicolon here inside the week. Okay, because this is the syntax for enum. C compiler is smart enough to understand what you will write next. Okay, so it will directly print the semicolon after closing the flower bracket. It will close the flower bracket itself. Okay, so what does a week contain? Days, right? First is Sunday, the next one is Monday, the next is Tuesday, next comes Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and last Saturday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. A week contains these 7 days. Okay, and it is given a name as a week, and the keyword enum is a keyword, predefined keyword, and I'm going to write the main function now. Okay, and inside the main function I am writing again this enum a week, and I'll pick up a day. Okay, day, let the day be let us take the Thursday. Okay, and we'll print that value, printf. Enums are always integer values. Okay, %d. Okay, %d is for integers, so %d comma, what are we printing? We're printing the day. Okay, this is the program. So guys, understand, first if we try to compile this code, what do the compiler do? First thing, it will search for main function. Whatever you write the program, it will search for main function. If it gets the main function, it will go inside and see we have defined enum here. So enum is a keyword. Okay, so it will search for enum outside the main block. It will find enum keyword and it will see name. Okay, he has named the enum as a week. So inside the week he has defined some variables. Okay, the user defined variables here, and it will go there and see day. So he has defined a day. So the day is THURS. It will search where the THURS is and it will find inside the enum here. So what it do? It will assign an integer value to THURS. How it will assign? It will give 0 here, 1, 2, sorry, I have done something here. It's Monday, it's Tuesday. Okay, so understand this thing. It will assign 0 to Sunday, 1 to Monday, 2 to Tuesday, 3 to Wednesday, 4 to Thursday, 5 to Friday, and 6 to Saturday. Okay, so the day is THURS. Where is THURS? Here. So what does it represent? It represents the 4 integer value. So if we print this day, it will print 4. If we print Friday, FRI, it will print 5. Okay, so first let me compile and then I'll explain you further. So if we want to compile, we have to save it. Okay, save it as enum. Okay, always give the appropriate names enum. And as I already told you, if you remember, I told you to save the code inside a single file so that you can search it easily. Okay, so I have created a new file for me, self study C programming, and I'm going to save this under that. And you can see the output is 4 because the Thursday has the value of 4. Okay, so what I'm saying, it will give an integer value as the output. We haven't defined this percentage d anywhere in the program. We haven't defined integer values in the program. Okay, so you can understand now. See, it is a user defined data type in C. So enum, a week, we have defined everything ourselves. So this is user defined. It basically used to assign names to integral constants. Okay, these are the constant values. Sunday is a constant, Monday is a constant value, Tuesday is a constant value. So what basically enum do? It assigns integral constants to names. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these are basically the names, and it will give the integer values. So for each of the names, it will give the integer values. For each of these names, Sunday it will give assign an integer, Monday it will assign an integer, Tuesday it will assign an integer. So this is the meaning of the second line. It is basically used to assign names to integral values. Okay, so integer values gets assigned to each of that. How? In a list. See, the first one gets 0, the second one gets 1, the third one gets 2, in this way. And whenever we print any value, for suppose if we print here Tuesday, TUES, okay, and if we try to compile it, what we will get? Yeah, 2 as the output. So it makes the code more readable and easy to maintain. You know, it's basically easy to read and easy to maintain also. You may not store this much. Okay, each you see here, take Thursday. So Thursday is basically a character, right? Char. So each char, T is a char, H is a char, U is a char, R is a char. Okay, so how many bytes it will store? It is 1 byte. It is 1 byte. It is 1 byte. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 bytes. But if you store a integer instead of the character, it will only consume 2 memory spaces, right? 2 bytes of memory spaces. So it is easy to maintain and also more readable. Okay, so this is the meaning. You see now, it is user defined, basically integer values to the names, and easy to maintain and readable. And the keyword is enum. See, the keyword is enum. Yeah, so what we discussed in this lecture is, see, before you compile this program, it will go to main function, and it will go to inside the main function, and it will see the enum keyword. So it will know. So the user, the programmer has defined enum somewhere in this program. It will search for enum, and it will see that, okay, enum a week, or you can just give week, so that enum week here, simple, you can understand in simple English, right? So enum, so it will search for enum, the name is week. Okay, the enum name is defined as week by the programmer, and he has given some values inside the enum. So the compiler, what the compiler will do immediately, it will assign each of these names to a single integer value, and we are defining the day. Okay, we are defining it here. So the day is, what is the day? We are defining the day as Tuesday. So what does Tuesday represent? 2. So whenever we compile, it will show percentage %d. Percentage %d means integer, comma, which integer it will show? It will show the day. What is the day? Tuesday. What do Tuesday store? 2. So it will print 2. Okay, when I compile this, you can see the 2 gets printed. Alright. So this is all about enum, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.